like to do here is give this frame, the outer frame, a background color. So this, it will be our neutral color, and this would be our white. Well, remember from the introduction there, we've got a neutral in the back, and we've got a white card that sits within it. So that shows that shows that white card that's going to pop off the page. Okay, so the neutral here, so the outer frame is going to be in our neutral. Cool stuff. So now we've got a pretty common looking setup. That is kind of, in terms of a masterclass, if I'm getting my eye in here, as we looked at in the essentials, I've got my outer in the bold. That's got the padding in, our outer padding, and then our inner padding is also in the bold. So the two bold where we've put our padding. And then we have our column, which is in the sky blue. And then we have our max width, which is also in this faint mustard, and our components in the faint. If we put into business mode now, when we hover over, we can actually see that when we hover over particular components, then the child lights up in the faint color, and the parent, where the padding is in bold. So that's design mode and business mode. Brilliant. So our job as designers is we're designing so that our content users can make changes, and also future content editors, when they come in the future, long after we've gone, will always stay on track and never mess it up. So that's what we're trying to achieve here. So now let's go and build on this here, because we've got our outer and inner padding, but we also have a card, and that's got padding in it as well. So let's go and put this white card in. So here, I'm now going to use this plus to wrap a new frame around this one. So I'm going to wrap this one, and this is where we're going to put our white card. So I'm going to click the pencil icon here. I'm not going to put it in neutral. I'm going to go across here and put it in white. So you can see this frame has lit up in white. And what I'm going to do on the frame to help our users, this is going to have padding in. So I'm going to put this in bold as well. I'm going to hold the Option or Alt key here and just put in 32 padding across. Now, this frame now with the button is actually outside of this one. We want to put it in there. So what I'm going to do is light up. We're going to move this now. We're not going to cut it. We're literally just going to pick it up and move it to a new location. Well, if I hold what I want to move, if I highlight what I want to move in our active state with the red dot, okay? So just click the pencil icon, and then I'm going to move it here to the plus. Again, I'm going to hold the shift key, and it's moved it. Now I can move the up and down arrows to put it into position. Okay, so look at that. We now have a card. So back into business mode, we're looking quite good there.